Mitch here from DeWitt Marine and Power Sports in Hamilton. This is the new Rebel 1100. What's going on, guys? Mitch here from DeWitt Marine and Power Sports, and I'm going to take you on a brief tour of the new Rebel 1100. I'm going to start off with the engine this puppy has in it. It's got a 1084cc liquid-cooled twin. So I'm just going to hop on here and turn on the battery to show you guys the LED front and rear headlight. Driving at night, you will not be missed. So this bike is going to be for a little bit more of an advanced rider. It is very powerful, it's torquey in the low end, and it is a very fast sport cruiser. So let's fire this bike up and take a listen. Now that's power. Now that the battery's turned on, let's take a look at the cluster. We're going to have a couple different driving modes on this Rebel 1100, and you're going to be able to switch through them. So you're going to have sport, we're going to have standard, we're going to have rain, and then user, so you can actually adjust it to what you like. So the nice thing about this LCD cluster is that everything is very close, easy to navigate, and it's on a beautiful display. Now let's hop off this bike and let's show you the secret compartment it has. So just underneath the rear seat, we have a storage compartment that you can put your documents, your wallet, and even a hat. So a couple other standard features that I do want to show you on this bike is we have a beefy front rotor. It's going to stop you at an instant. We also have standard ABS braking, which is a great feature on the Rebel 1100. And when we come towards the rear of the bike, we have the classic piggyback rear twin suspension. Okay, so who is this bike made for? Well, the Rebel 1100 is brand new in the series. We have the 300, the 500, and now the 1100. This bike is going to be a little bit more powerful and more torquey. It's also got a bigger gas tank, so you're going to be allowed to go on longer rides. You can quick rips through the city, and you can also just throw your girlfriend on and go to Niagara Falls. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. It's Mitch here from DeWitt Marine and Power Sports. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. You can also stop at our Peterborough store where the Rebel 1100 will be there as well. Take care.